Hello all. This video is all about explaining the problem statement given by the Smart India Hackathon 2023 Ministry of Law and Justice. The problem statement code is 1282. Our team name is Matrix and we are from Radhalakshmi Institute of Technology. This problem statement briefly explains about addressing the basic challenges faced by the undertried business of India, which includes getting access to the justice and getting access to rehabilitation measures. So we propose a solution which is basically creating a fully fledged application which addresses all the problems faced by the undertried prisoners. As you can see, the idea or approach details, and we have certain key features which includes complete monitoring of the prisoners. We create a complete dashboard for each individual prisoner and it can be monitored by all the authorities who have access to the application. And next, this application is easily approachable by any kind of people. Users from any kind of background can easily use the application, and providing transparency is the next important point. It provides the transparency over the case, the status of the case, like how much it has gone and so on. And we have finally included the help and support section, which is basically connecting with many government or non-government organizations, which helps prisoners against any kind of violence acts. And we have used Flutter for our application development and SQL for database handling. You can see the use cases. Next, let's get into the prototype of our application. This is the interface of the application which our team has developed. This is the welcome page, and right after that, the user is redirected to this page. Here you can see the select language button. This application has been implemented in almost all the Indian native languages, and so user from any kind of background, whether he is literate or not, they can use this app without any barricades. Let's get into Tamil, and you can see everything changed to Tamil. So user can access this in their own application, in their own language. Now let's get into English. You can see everything changed back to English. So this page is the first key feature. At this page, the user identifies himself who he is. Like here we have given 5 main user types. One is a judge, second lawyer, third the prison officer, fourth family supporter, and 5 the prisoner. Family supporter is a person who handles the entire case on behalf of the prisoner until the prisoner comes out of the prison. First, let's say I'm a judge, I'm getting into a judge profile. They'll be given an individual username and password, and after successful login, this is the tab the judge can view. You can see the prisoners list and lawyers list. By clicking on this, the judge can view the entire prisoners list and lawyers list under this application. Get into prisoners list, and you can see the prisoner name, ID, the case number, the lawyer associated with them. Here the judge can view individual person's profile. Let me click this, and you can see it takes me to that particular person's profile. This is the functional profile that has been created for individual prisoner. It contains their name, age, case type, what case section, the lawyer who's dealing with them, last hearing, next hearing, their Aadhaar number and all those details, and their family member associated with them, their details. And here comes the rehabilitation section. It basically contains 2 types. This one is all about the online mode and this one is the offline events. This contains a video tutorial that has been framed by expert psychologist and has been implemented inside the application. The user, the prisoner, can view those videos and he can improve his mental health. This shows the percentage how much the prisoner has completed the video, and this is all about the offline events that the prisoners attended. These events are conducted by government and non-government organizations. Let me get back. And in lawyers list you can see all those lawyers list. And next, getting into lawyer. After login, the lawyer can see all those clients list. The lawyer can only view the profile of his own clients, not every prisoners. He can view this profile. And next is a request received. If any family supporters request the lawyer to deal with their case, the lawyer is notified and he can decline the request, accept the request. And next is all about the application submission, which means he can apply any kind of applications for that particular client. You can see it contains a name and he can upload the necessary documents and he can submit the application to the judiciary. Next, getting into the prison officer. Prison officer is the one who is responsible for the prison. After login, he can see the entire prisoners list and lawyers list, and one more additional point is you can see the application request. This application is basically made by a lawyer if he wants to meet the prisoner in direct in prison, and you can see the application, who made the application, for whom, and the reason why they need to visit them in direct. So the prison authority can approve or decline the application, and will be notified to the lawyer. And next, coming to the family supporter, after login you can see available lawyers. So this is the main key feature of this particular page. You can see all the available lawyers who have registered under this application. They are all pro bono lawyers, they work for free, they don't charge anything. So they can see the lawyer name, their experience, how much case they've handled, their success rate. And so if they feel that this particular lawyer is good for handling their case, they can send a request, they can type the content all over their case details and then submit. And once submitted, you can see the request has been sent. If you wish to withdraw, you can also withdraw the request. Once the request has been submitted, the lawyer will be notified regarding this, and they can see their victim's profile, who they have been associated with. And they can also submit the documents, all the necessary documents of the prisoner to the lawyer for dealing the cases, which includes Aadhaar card and basic government IDs. And this is all about the help and support section. If they feel any kind of violence act has been taken against the prisoner or any kind of unethical issues, they can complain to the organizations, they can describe their issue, or they can contact them directly. Next, coming to the prisoner page, after login he can see his own profile, and here you can see this particular dot. You click this, you get rehabilitation. Inside this you have these three categories. Rights, when you click rights, the prisoner can learn all the basic rights that he has as a prisoner. You can see that law name, what is about, so he can learn what are the basic rights as a prisoner he can avail, and he can study these things. And next, this is all about the events, the offline events that has been conducted by the government. It contains the description, date, time, and the prisoner can register and he will get the details regarding this. And once he attends the event, it will be displayed in the profile that this particular person has attended this event. Next, we have the course. This is the home page. This shows how many percentage of the course the prisoner has completed. You click continue, you will be redirected to the page which contains the video tutorials made by psychological experts in order to improve the prisoner's mental health. And this is one of the key features that improves the rehabilitation property. Next, getting back, you can see the help and support section. It is the same as for family supporter. If the prisoner feels any kind of violence act against him after his prisoner period, he can complain regarding this. That's all. Thank you.